Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. So today I'm going to be showing you two reviewers for my 3rd and 5th grader for their standardized test this spring. So our state requires us to do a standardized test for 3rd and 5th graders. So I looked up online and tried to look for something that just would review them so that they could be more confident in answering the standardized test. So we're going to be doing Stanford test with Abeka, and I found a lot of options online, but you can find this on Amazon. It's called the Spectrum Practice Reviewer for 5th grader, and there's also another one for this is a Spectrum test practice for 3rd graders. So I'll be doing a quick flip through on what the book has. It's not very thick. You can actually buy some very thorough ones that has like a practice test for math, for specific subjects like math, language, history, but I just wanted something that's just like a integrated book that would have everything. So here it says here Common Core State Standards, and so let's review the first book, the 3rd grader. So you'll find this on Amazon between $9 to $15. You can actually get it on eBay for cheaper, and that's what I did. So yeah, this looks fairly new. Here's the 3rd grade. There's a table of contents for 3rd graders. So it's a mix of reading, as you can see that, reading comprehension, language, expression, math concepts, application. So yeah, it covers a lot of things. So you can read this introduction. Let me zoom it out so you can see better. Let's see here. So let's do what. So there is example on how to do it. There's a name here, how to use this book. Examples. So there's practice. These are practice, reading vocabulary, practice, sample test. So reading comprehension. So actually I'm going to review this with my kid and maybe just have her answer it in a separate notebook so my other kid can use it. Just trying to... So the nice thing is it has like an example on top for you to do with your kid, and then you can go over with them the rest of the... Let's see if there is an answer key at the end. So this is math, computation, liquid volume, so we'll try to do all of this in a week. There you go. So this is the answer key at the end. So here you go, the back page of the book. It says here, focus skill practice based on new common core state standards. So yes, I think this would be helpful if you want to gauge what your 3rd grader has learned throughout the year if you're homeschooling. Let's check out the 5th grader one. So there we go. I noticed that this has like a wider page, but that makes a difference. So here's the table of contents. I think this is a little bit thicker, so it has the same format as the other one. We got vocabulary. Let's do a quick flip through of what's inside. Story. So the story is a little bit longer. Reading test practice. Language. Language expression. Study skills. It's math. And then there's the answer key. So for the answer key, it does not have the computation like for the problem. So you probably would have to discuss that with your kid if they make a mistake. But yeah, I think these two material would be helpful. There is actually examples here of what's available. So there's math, word problems, reading, language arts, writing, spelling, vocabulary, word study, phonics, science, geography, test prep, and test practice. So this is what I got, the test practice one. And thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.